we're gonna make cake pop for Mother's Day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm London.
I am Mateo.
欢迎大家又回来我的频道，我是 London. Today we want to share with you an idea of a Mother's Day gift. So we will make some cake pops and make these cake pops into a bouquet so that you can present as a unique gift for your mother. 今天我们想跟大家分享一下我们是怎么做蛋糕的棒棒糖，然后再把这些蛋糕的棒棒糖摆成一朵花的形状，这样可以送给我们的妈妈作为一个特别的母亲节礼物。Hope you'll watch this video to the end and try to make this gift for your super mommy. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share to your friends if you like this video. 希望你们把这个视频看到最后，跟我们一起来做一下，把这个特别的礼物送给你的超人妈妈。I love you. What's on your T-shirt?
Mommy's bestie.
Yes. Are you mommy's bestie? I think so. Okay.
Happy
Mother's Day!
The cake is just a basic vanilla cake base. The ingredients are listed down below. You can follow my step to make it. Or even easier, you can buy a packed vanilla cake mixer from any grocery store and make the cake base. I'll upload some cake videos as well. 蛋糕我就不详细讲解了，这次因为就是普通的香草蛋糕，所有的食材我都会写在下面，可以跟着我视频里面的步骤去做一下。或者再简单一点，你可以去超市买一盒 vanilla cake mixer 香草蛋糕的粉，照着它的说明做一下就可以。以后我会有一些我的蛋糕的视频上传。I cut off the outside of the cakes. You don't have to do this step. 我把蛋糕的外层切掉了，不过这一步也不是必须的。Now we're gonna smash the cake. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into it to be a little bit sticky. You're looking for this moisturized, sandy texture. 把蛋糕碾碎，加入固体椰子油到这种湿湿的沙粒状就可以了。用小号的冰淇淋勺舀出，揉成球形。Use a small ice cream scoop to scoop out the loose cake base to make it into balls. Melt the chocolate in a bowl on the warm water. Keep stirring it. Add in 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. 隔水加热巧克力，加入2小勺椰子油，让它完全融化。把小棒棒在融化的巧克力里面蘸一下，插入蛋糕球，这样可以固定。Dip the lollipop stick into the melted chocolate. Insert it into the center of the cake ball. After you finish this step, put all the uncoated cake pops into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. That way, it's easier to coat the cake pops later. 都完成之后，把蛋糕球放入冻箱冷冻10到15分钟，这样比较容易在上面裹巧克力。Add 3 drops of red food coloring into the liquid white chocolate. Stir it well. We want a light pinkish color. 在白的液体巧克力里面加3滴红色食用色素，把它做成粉色。Take 1 cake pop, dip it into the liquid chocolate, and stick it into the foam block. Let the chocolate firm up. 拿起一个蛋糕棒棒糖，把它完全放入巧克力里面，然后拿出来插在塑料泡沫上晾凉。I'm using this cake pop holder to hold the cake pops, but you can just use a foam block. You can buy it online, or if you happen to buy some electric stuff at home, it comes with the foam. It works well. 这里我用了一个蛋糕棒棒糖的架子，你不需要去买这个，就是用那种白色的泡沫就可以了。If your chocolate is getting thicker, just put the cup into hot water, warm it up. 如果巧克力有点开始变稠了，可以把杯子放在热水里，隔水融化一下。都做完之后，就可以把它们放在冰箱里面晾凉了。When it's done with coating, you can transfer them on the foam block into the fridge to keep them cool. Now I'm working on the dark chocolate. Same technique as I melted the white chocolate, except the coconut oil. We don't want to use coconut oil here. I can explain it later. Keep on watching it until the end. 用同样的方法融化黑巧克力，但不要加椰子油。我最后会向大家解释为什么。把草莓插在一个长一点的棒棒上面，草莓叶子不要摘，把3/4的草莓上面蘸上巧克力就可以了。Insert a long stick into the strawberry and keep the leaves on. Let the 3/4 of the strawberry dip into the chocolate. You can also make some chocolate cake pop as well. 你也可以再做几个巧克力的蛋糕棒棒糖。Now we need to make them into a bouquet. 2 pieces of bouquet foam. You can still use the white foam block to do this step. 1 plastic container. If you don't have this container, you can use a small flower pot or even a cup. 现在我们来做蛋糕的花束。你可以用我这种可以加水的插花的泥，或者就是用之前用的塑料泡沫。一个小的塑料盒子，如果没有的话，可以用一个小的花盆或者是杯子都可以。Cut the foam into the size of the container. Put it in. 切成容器的大小，放在里面备用。Now stick the cake pops and strawberry pops into the foam. 然后把刚才做的草莓和蛋糕棒棒糖插在盒子里面。Now I'm gonna explain why we don't use coconut oil in the dark chocolate. Because the coconut oil gets firmed only when it's cold. We can't put strawberries into the freezer to let them chill as we did for the cake pops. So in that case, we want to leave out the coconut oil so that the dark chocolate would get firm easily on the strawberries. Get it? Great. Then I take out my flower wrapping paper. I cut them into smaller squares, fold them into random triangle shape like I'm doing here. 把大的包花的纸剪成小方块，像我视频里这样把它折起来，插在棒棒糖之间的缝隙里。Insert them into between of the cake pops. 现在我就跟大家解释一下，为什么我们要在黑巧克力里面不要加椰子油，因为椰子油在低温的时候它才可以固定，那我们又不能把草莓放在冻箱里面冰冻，所以我们的黑巧克力里面就不要加椰子油，这样黑巧克力裹在草莓上面之后就会很容易的定型了。Then take out a whole flower wrapping paper and wrap the whole thing up. 然后用一张整的花纸把这个整体的蛋糕花束包起来。I use a rubber band to hold it tight. 用一个皮筋把纸先固定，然后在外面用彩带扎紧装饰，这样就完成了。And finally tie a ribbon on the outside of the bouquet. And it's done. Now you can present this lovely cake and strawberry pop bouquet to your amazing super mommy. Not only does it look stunning, but also can be eaten. Plus, it's made with your love. I can't think of anything better than this cake pop bouquet as a Mother's Day gift. 希望你们能做这个既好看又能吃的特别的母亲节礼物送给你们的超人妈妈。请记得点赞、订阅，并且转发给你的朋友啊！谢谢，我们下周见，母亲节快乐！ Hope you give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you. I'll see you next week. Happy Mother's Day.
Cake pop, cake pop, cake pop, cake pop, cake pop. Smash the cake.